wathi ngiyavuka ngiya kubaba ngithi baba ngonile ngithethelele ngonile kuwe naphambi kwezulu.
He said, I will set out and go back to my father and say to him, Father, I have sinned against heaven and against you.
Akazi ukuthi uyise uzothini, uyise uzomxosha yini.
He didn't know what to expect, whether his father would accept him or chase him away.
Uma eseseduze nekhaya wabonwa uyise wamhlangabeza wagijima waya kuye wamgona wamanga wamqabula ngesigiligi hayi nje phele wabeka indebe zakhe esihlathini sakhe isikhathi esikhulu embambile emgonile uyise ongcwele akanandaba akamnyani akasho ukuthi wanginukela uyathokoza.
So he got up and went to his father, but while he was still a long way off, his father saw him and was filled with compassion for him. He ran to his son, threw his arms around him and kissed him. And not just a little kiss, but he placed his lips on his cheek for a long time, embracing him. He didn't say, well, you are smelling so badly, you stink. No, the Holy Father embraced him and rejoiced.
In Greek, it's not just a small kiss, a short kiss, a long kiss. Uyise wajabula, hawu angazi ukuthi ngathini ngabo uyise ngengane zabo. Enze indlela yokukhonza ingane zabo.
I don't know what I can say of a father and the way that a father loves his children.
Wabiza isebenzi wathi wozani mgezeni mgqokiseni ilokwe elihle eliphambili.
So father said to his servants,
faka indandatho nezicathulo.
Wash him, clean him, and then bring the best robe, put it on him, put a ring on his finger and sandals on his feet.
A robe, a special robe. I haven't got time. Otherwise, we could preach about this robe.
Kuthiwa mlethele ingubo engajwayelekile. Singakhuluma ngale ngubo kodwa anginasikhathi.
Uyisaya umprofeti uthi ngiyajabula ngiyathokoza nokuthokoza ngoba uNkulunkulu ungigqokisile ingubo yensindiso njengomakhothi efaka ingubo yakhe enhle ungigqokisile nami.
I rejoice, Isaiah says, because God has dressed me with a robe of splendor like a bride, a robe of salvation.
Sabani thole elikhuluphalisiweyo.
The father said, slaughter the fattened calf.
Wafika indodana endala yakhonona kabi waphatheka kabi wathi yini kucatshulwe kangaka. Athi hey umfowenu ubuyile ubaba wakho uyathokoza.
And then the elder son came back out of the field and he said, why is there so much rejoicing? And I explained to him, your son, your brother has come back and your father is celebrating the fact that his son has come back.
Uyabuya lo mfana omncane omdala useyaphuma.
By the returning of the younger son, the elder son left.
Wena kholwa eldala uma umuntu ewonile ebuye ilahla negqubu awufuni lutho uthi ngona fe wena mbulali thakathi wokugcina esikhundleni sokuthi ujabule nobaba usezulwini uyasola.
Oh, you older Christian, you that are so evil that you can have a grudge against somebody when they come back and they confess their sin and they come and they cast themselves before the Father. You are evil in that. You should rejoice with the Father.